Yo, today guys, we're gonna try to make clips on Rival. So if you're watching this, can you make a clip out of me while I do something? I will be scrolling on YouTube tomorrow and see if I have any clips made by me. So make sure to make some clips for me, clips for me, guys. Thank you, guys. I'm gonna try to make a clip now. So let's go to 1v1 instead. Should I just? We're gonna see how they're gonna have so many keys in the last video. Yeah. Hey, come here, what? I'll just go here. Should I? Yeah, it's just mobile players, bro. It's just mobile players. I'm gonna make a clip of this. If I don't make a clip of it. This. No! Yes! We got my favorite map. Right, boss, please don't delete this map. It's my favorite map. RPG? You're not even no. This guy's not even 2v1ing and this guy's using RPG, bro. What a good plan. I get it now, Harry. It's a big splash, bro. What's the big splash? It would be a very good content for literary RPG. Oh, now you're using sniper. Holy lag. Holy lag. Holy lag. Holy lag. Hui. Clip. Clip. Blow up and down. Imagine I make a clip all of this. If I just mean sing around, just make a clip of it. And then tell you a mobile play, mobile not even not bad, bro. I was just the mobile player. And then I decided to quit because I can't quit when I'm mobile. You all started as playing on mobile. You all started Roblox as in mobile, okay? Oh. I think I was just AFK. Seriously, RPG? Bro. What? Bro, no RPG. No RPG. I am 2v1. No RPG. I am 2v1. Oh! Bro, I am the one that is 2v1. Bro. You sniper. You sniper, bloody. Good luck, I will walk. Now I'm gone. Go black, I go wow. What? Rematch. Rematch. I want a solo, bro. I don't want. No, Tando, you want Tando. Bigger yun. I forgot the big arena. Big arena. Yay! Nice. 4 horn. Nag-block ako. Wow, what a wow. And I'm gone. Spirits in my head. Oh my god, crazy clip. Crazy! I am the one that literally collabs with that, guys. You should clip that. Clip that. Clip that. Clip that, boys. Clip that. This is actually crazy. In a color box tab, that's insane. If this one, give it to Sis. RPG safely. But it's dead. Oh my god, I got backstabbed. No way, my team's gonna lose this. Wow. Bang bang chicken gun. Bang bang chicken gun. Knifey stabby. Knifey stabby, backstabby. Yeah, that is not a word. I'm black, I'm a wow, I feel like I'm the only one left. Lag. Yes! Clip that shot. I killed the whole team. I killed the whole team. Insanity. I killed the whole team. The one? Kill two? Kill three. Oh my god. Kill the oh. Kill three. Oh. Kill the oh my god. Kill three. And one disconnected already. Oh, I'm kidding. Look at the leaderboard. I am the highest one. I am the called as the unpredictable. Never mind. I am not called as the unpredictable. Wait, are we all computers? It doesn't. Bro's trying to backstab me. Clutch it up. Last time I 3v1 it. You can 3v1 it too. Never mind. Oh yes you could. Yes you could. Bro, oh toxic. Oh yeah. What was that weapon? If that was a random weapon, it would so mad. If they haven't got a skin before me, it's so mad. No, my friend actually got a skin before me. Oh, you see? Hey, let me kill him. You guys didn't give me any kills yet. Wee! 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 Kill him. Who's the MVP, buddy? Who's the MVP? Me! Let me check how long is the video. I really need the editor, bro. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna end this video until. Okay, yung chance me to do. You might beat guys. Yo, this guy's actually crazy. Back! Clip! 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 Give me 5 clips. Yeah, how many clips did I get? I don't have editor, so you can get my nips, right? Sure, I don't have editor. I'm the only one here, bro. Actually, I'm unpredictable. I'm actually winning. I hope you guys like my Rabos content. Nosy. Oh yeah, I know it now. If it's if you don't follow me. Is that my classmate? Tulog. Bro is not asleep. Bro guys, I think I would really. Would you guys like another video content than other than rivals? Yeah, maybe. Mga 6 din. After done with this video, after I start. No! Oh my god, this is so hard. Back! Just clip. What? What? No way, bro becomes toxic. So, it took a very long time to be able to say that, bro. Say Allah, bro. Say Allah. 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 How did the keep? Yeah. Should I? Yeah, I'm actually gonna make it. Kaboom! GG. Okay guys, that's all. That's all. Bye bye. Yes! Yes! Finally I could get this now. Yung mana. What to make a star? Knife. Finisher. Rising star. Bye guys!